Peace, guys. Welcome back to the 2025 Definitive Guide to Generating Leads Bootcamp. All right, we are now going to go into some of the core modules. So if you are a business owner, especially, and you've been like struggling through getting leads, I can guarantee you these next like modules 2 through 5 are probably the core modules that'll help you figure out like pretty much why you're stuck. I can guarantee you there's like something you're not doing in these next few modules that's like blocking you from generating more leads. So I'm really excited to jump into these next few modules. All right, so we've already gone over module number one. If you have not, make sure you guys review. In module number one, we covered our product clarity and our go-to-market strategy. All right, so we defined our product. We did some pricing tier offers, and we did some branding. We went really deep into branding, so we now have a nice brand kit. And if I go back over to the guide that you guys are building with us, what we have so far is our nice clean services ironed out here. We're gonna fill this in later as far as like what our why is. We have our nice clean pricing and tiers and what's included. We have our starter visual that we created in one of our activities. We have our full brand kit, and if we click our link, it takes us to our full brand kit. All right, guys. So great job so far on completing our boot camp. All right, let's go into module two. So in module two, where this is all about buyer persona and targeting. All right, here are the three lessons that we're gonna cover. In lesson one, we're gonna go over how to build a demographic and a psychographic profiles. We're also gonna go over in lesson number two, how to create avatars across buyer stages. And then in lesson number three, we're gonna go over how to articulate your value and do key pain point research. All right. I'm gonna break probably those sections off into their own mini videos. In this video, I just wanted to give you guys an overview of what we're going to cover in module number two. And here's a little preview for our next video where we go over by persona. So I will see you guys in the next video for module number two, where we go over building a demographic and psychographic profiles. All right. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Let's see how long it takes me this time. How long does it take this time for me to end this meeting?